So these all are like left side. We have selected all our syntaxes, right, sir? On. Why we use on, sir?
What did I say? On is for comparing, right? On is like a where condition, right? Where employee table dot department ID equal to department table dot department ID.
Okay, sir.
But without on, how we compare the syntax? Join statement when we write join this table where employee table dot department ID equal to department dot department ID.
Okay.
Without where or on, how it will understand if I write like this? There should be some condition, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What is I told you clearly? On is like a
Where condition.
on is like a where condition comparing the common columns in both the tables.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now if you see this example, now we have used group by also, right? And then we are getting, some, count of, oh, this customer purchased totally 32 different products, right? These 32 products, total quantity is 839. Like this, ma?
Yes.
So group by just customer name, what will happen, sir, if you don't give city?
That will throw error, ma. That is an error message. Here it is not giving. Generally, in Oracle SQL Server, here I don't know, this editor is not giving error. If you write normal SQL query, there is a rule, ma.
Okay, sir.
There is a rule. What is the rule is, when you are using a group by concept, right? But say for example, select column 1, column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay, now let's say for example, this is some aggregate function you are using, ma. Some aggregate function you are using for column 3. Okay, from table name. Now, this column you are using aggregate. What are the two remaining columns? C1, C2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, both C1, C2 should come under group by. Group by C1, C2. See, when you are using group by and aggregates, what is the when you are using group by and aggregates? So the column should come, the column should be used either with aggregate or it should be used in the group by.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ కాలం అనేది కాదు, ఇప్పుడు C3 ఉంది, C3 we are using aggregate, right? Okay, that leave it, not a problem. But what is remaining? C1, C2. C1, C2 compulsory must come under group by. If you group by only C1, this is an error.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But if you write, for example, this also, if you write, for example, count of C2, then no problem.
Okay, sir.
Oh, these two columns we are using aggregate. This is remaining column, so that remaining column will come under group by. Then no problem.
If the table has any number of columns also, like whichever we selected, that has to come under group by other than the aggregate one. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
only columns which you are mentioning in the select statement.
Okay, sir.
Only the columns which you specify in the select statement. If you are using this group by aggregates, when you are using only when you are using group by aggregate, what is the rule? The rule is either the column should use
Aggregate functions.
Aggregate function, or it should be part of
Group by.
Group by.
That is the rule. Okay, okay, sir.
So without using aggregate, without using in the group by, if you leave the column like this, that is wrong. But now this is also wrong, because C2, C3 we are using aggregate.
C4 also.
Group
should
by
come.
C1 we are doing. What about C4?
Okay, sir.
So C4 also must be come under group by. Okay. So without saying group by or without saying aggregate, if you leave like this, that is wrong. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Understood, sir.
Let me one minute. I think here why it is not giving error is city is same. You know, what reason it is? Okay. Yeah, this is okay, ma'am. Now in this query, what did we use? We are using joins, as well as, at the last we are using, on is like a where condition, right? Where this one and for more than one condition, what do we learned? And or
Sir, for more
Yes,
than
last time we
more
learned, right?
than one statement.
Where
Yes,
city
sir.
equal to Hyderabad and some other condition, right? Last
Yes,
time
sir.
when we did a single select statement,
We
so
did,
where
sir.
email ID is not null and phone is null. Okay, where city equal to Hyderabad and designation equal to manager something. So we
Yes,
can
sir.
use and, right?
Yes.
More than
On
one
this
condition.
More than
and
one condition
something in
become
this. Okay, then we are also group by customer name we are doing. Counting the number of product names and calculating the sum of quantity, right? Okay, so if you run, we got the total sum of all the products and then how many products they purchased. 32 different products he purchased, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this you can use join. So along with that you can use what you call even aggregate functions, group by. These are all what you can use. Yeah, here the correct way of mentioning is city also. Now as
Group
per
by
the rule,
having when sir having
as per
aggregate
the rule,
function.
it is okay now. Emma, these two columns we are using aggregate. What are the remaining two columns here? Customer
City,
name,
customer name.
city.
City.
So these two should come under group by, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now in this also, if you want to restrict, but how now I want to know only customers who purchased more than
30.
30, then you can use having, right?
Yes, sir.
So here you can use what you call having count of product name greater than,
30.
then you will get only this one, right? So but having is used to filter, restrict the group by grouped values, right? After group by whatever aggregates we got, that if you want to filter, you are using having. Okay.
Got it, sir.
In having compulsory, we have to use aggregate function, right? Like this. I think if you remember last
Yes,
class,
sir.
we have the notes. So what is the difference between where and having? No?
Where while using select class, sir.
Where should be used in the select class?
Having we can use it group by, sir.
Group by and yeah, aggregate functions are not supported in the where condition, right?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
is used in the having, right? In having, we will use aggregate functions, having count of or sum of something aggregate functions. But here also in the having, we are using aggregate, right? Having count of product name greater than 30. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this, you can use join statements. No? So what I think, hope you understand the syntax. You can join any number of tables like this. And this rule is okay, ma? What did you, the rule what we mentioned here? Yeah, if now in this, what is wrong in this?
Only one column is
C4 is
selected.
missing.
C4 should be
C4 is
written.
missing.
So these two columns aggregate is used. What is remaining? C1,
C1,
C4.
C4.
Yeah, C1, C4 should come under
Group by.
Group
Group
by.
okay. Yeah. And this is okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is all how you can use join statements. This alias names, table name, column names. This is fine. Okay, let us take some other tables. You tell me how to write joins. Let's say, for example, there is a table called donors. Donor ID, name, let's say phone number, email ID. Okay, donor ID. Let's say D1. Donor ID. Let's say 1. Name. Okay, these are the donor names. Yeah. Okay, there is another table called donations. Okay, something they donated. Now I want a report. I want the donor name, name, comma, date, comma, amount donated. Name of the donor, on what date and amount they have donated.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you.
Select name from don.
So right, these are
Name,
the
comma.
two tables now.
Yes.
Yeah. So from these two tables, I need name of the donor and what date he has donated and how much amount they have donated. Yeah, tell me.
Select
We
name,
start
name,
from
Name, comma,
date,
date,
comma,
Amount.
amount donated
Amount from donors,
donors.
join
Join
donation
donation.
Join donations.
Where
donation.
donor
on
dot
on
donor
donors dot name
Name.
Name.
sorry
ID, sir.
ID
donors
Donor ID
donors
dot
equal to
is equal
equal to
to
donations dot
donations dot donor ID.
donor ID.
So what is our output we will get here? We will get name,
Name, date,
date.
amount.
So we will get only common records, right? So who have donated money? What is common in this? Name.
A, sir.
Name.
B,
C,
A, C, and E.
date, okay. So we'll get 5,000. 5,000. 8,000, right? So this is the output what we will get.
yes, sir.
For this SQL, we will get this output, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Array, sir, I want all the donor. I want all. See, now you got by default, this is equi-join. By default, this is what type of join?
Inner join.
Equi-join,
Equi-join.
right? Equi or inner join. We'll get only records which are common.
Common in both the tables.
Yes. But if I say left outer join, so meaning I want all the donors.
First table.
If they have donated any amount, it will let us display the amount donated. If they have not donated, if there is no value, then it should display null, right?
So
If there is no value, what it should display?
Null.
null value.
If there is no value, if they have not donated any amount, then it should display null value.
Yes, sir.
They have not donated any amount. Because from tomorrow we want to stop giving prasadam to them. So give me the list. Who are all the donors? Who are all the donors? Yeah, I want all the donors, right?
Name.
If donated,
Amount.
display amount. Else,
Null.
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 Name all the donors. If donated, display the amount. Else, null. Then how do you write SQL query?
Select name,
Select name, comma,
amount,
same date, comma,
Amount.
amount from
donors,
donors.
Left
So
join.
here
join.
we write
Left
left
outer join.
outer join. That's all, ma. Left outer join.
Donation.
Donations.
On
Donors.
Donors dot donor ID.
donor ID equal to.
Donations dot
Donor ID.
donor ID.
That's all. So if you write like this, so what is the output we will get here? We will get
Maybe
name.
Name, date,
Date.
amount.
We will get every name, right? A, B, C, D,
Yes, sir.
F, G. All names we will get. Only A has donated some amount, 5,000. B.
C has
no,
domain.
null
C,
value.
C, sir. C.
C,
5,000.
This is null. E has donated
8,000.
8,000.
Null.
Null.
So like this we will get the out. So what did you see the result here? For this left
We
outer
got all
join,
the
what did we
values
get
from the
out?
left table. The
Yeah,
first
so
table.
we get all the records from left side table. Okay, if right side table, if any matching is there, we will get the matching. Or else it is displaying what value? It is displaying a null value. So if I use left outer join, if I use left outer join, which side you are seeing null values, left side or right side?
Right.
Right. Right.
Right side you are
Right
able
side.
to see good values, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
like that also they may ask some question. Bro, right? When I have used a select statement and some output is displayed, Emma, in the output, right side, I'm seeing some null values. What type of join we have used?
Outer join.
Left outer join. We have
Left outer join.
Are opposite. If I take some other case, suppose for example, right side table has more records and left side table only there are few records. Then right side you may see all the records. Left side you may see null values, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Opposite taker,
Yes,
right
sir.
side you
Yes,
may
sir.
get all the values. Left side you may see null values.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And a full outer join if you use. Left side also there are some null values. Right side also some null values, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes, sir.
combinations will. So when you are using a join, what is the final syntax here? The join statement when you are using, okay, the syntax is select whatever column name, column 2, column 3, whatever it is, right?
From table.
Okay, from table 1. Now here I'm putting in a square bracket. It is optional, right? Either left or
Right.
right
Right
or
or full.
Full.
full, right? Then again, what is optional here? Outer.
Outer.
Then join. What is that? Table 2.
Table 2.
On table 1 dot column equal to table 2 dot.
Table 2 dot column.
Well, again, when you are using join here, it's up to your wish again. Again, you can use what you call either left, right, full, something, right, of your choice. Okay, outer. Yes or no? Join table 3. On. You are writing some condition, right? Either table 1, either table 1 or 2, right?
Or 2.
Dot column equal to table 3 dot.
Form.
So again, either left or right or full of your choice, join with another table. Okay, now I think you got a clarity. But someone asked me, say in the beginning, right? Sir, when I have 3 tables, If I use left outer join, which tables we will get the data? So here you are using left outer join for table 1 na, table 2 na, table 3 na, what you are using. Accordingly, you will get the data.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma? No, do you understand what did I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
if you have 3 tables are there, if you are having 3 tables, left outer join will get from what table? Based on what table you are using left outer, right? Are you
First
using
table.
left outer for table 1 or you are using left outer for table 2?
Table 1.
Left outer for table 1, sir.
Based
One.
on what you are using, you will get the data. I mean to say.
Yes, sir.
Based on the join what you are using, you will get the data. Ma.
Yes, sir.
So for
Okay,
example,
sir.
if I select column 1, column 2, column 3, whatever it is, right? Column 4, column 5. Okay, from table 1. Simply if I write join table 2 on table 1 dot column equal to
Table 2.
table 2 dot column. Did I use any left outer join here for table 1?
No.
No, sir.
No. But now I am
No.
using left outer join table 3, left outer join table 3 on table 2 dot column equal to table 3 dot column. Now what you are using left outer for which tables now?
Table 3.
3.
Table 3, sir.
Table 2 and table 3.
Oh,
When I am joining table 2, table 3, here which table you are comparing? Table 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for table 2 is left and table 3 is right now.
Yes, sir.
okay. Then table
ఈ
2 is
కాన్సెప్ట్ లో ఈ వేర్ కండిషన్ లో విచ్ టేబుల్ యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ హియర్?
Table 2.
Table 2.
Table now table 2 is left and table 3 is right. Oh, from table 2 you will get all the records.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And null values in table.
Yes, table 1 may have null values. Are if I use table 1 here,
we
Table
will get,
1 full
we will
values.
get all
whatever
values
it is.
table 1
from
is
table 1.
left outer join, right? Table 2 will have only matching records. Table 3 also will have only matching records.
Sir, the null values where can we display, sir? In table 1 or
Table
table
2
3, sir?
and table 3 have null values, right?
Sir, but the left or outer join, we will specify table 3, sir. We will get all records in the sorry. We will
Left
get
table
all
ఏదమ్మా దీంట్లో which is the left side table?
table 1, sir. Table 1 is a left out.
Table 3 is right side table, right?
Yes, we will get records, all records of table 3.
Table 1.
We will get all records of table 1, including null values, sir. You mean?
No, అప్పుడు టేబుల్ 1 లో నల్ ఎందుకు ఉంటాయి?
టేబుల్ 3 లో ఉంటాయి సార్ అయితే.
yes టేబుల్ 3 లో నల్స్ ఉంటాయి.
ఓకే, టేబుల్ 3 లో ఉంటాయి. టేబుల్ 2 లో null values రావు కదా సార్ ఇప్పుడు?
Table 2 also there is a chance of getting null values. You will get null values in table 2 also. Table 2 లో కూడా నల్స్ ఉంటాయమ్మా. Because I am getting all the records from table 1, right?
Yes, sir. Because of left outer join, we are using only table 1.
Yeah, I am joining table 1 for left outer join kadamma.
అవునా సార్?
So I should get all records of table 1. But what about table 2, table 3?
Matching records only.
Matching will be there as well as nulls also will be there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
how
Circles
it's a
are
bit
taken, sir.
confusing, sir. So how which one will be executed first, sir? So that first condition table 1 dot column that will be executed and the
Oh,
resultant.
Nikra, I am using left outer join. I am using left outer join when I am joining with table 3, right?
Sir.
Sir?
Left outer join table 3 on table 1 dot column equal to table 3 dot column. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ when you are using on condition, which is the left table here?
Table 1.
Table 1 is the
Table
left
1,
table.
sir.
Table 1 is the left table and table 3 is the
Right table.
right table. And if table 1 lo we should get all the records, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు if I say when I get a table 1 all columns, what about table 3? Table 3 will have
Have null
only
values.
matching records. If there is no matching, what we will get?
Null.
Null values.
Null values. But what about table 2? Table 2 also there are some null values which are displayed because we are trying to select all the records from table 1, right?
But పైన మనం just join వాడాం కదా సార్, like left outer join రాయలేదు
But I
కదా,
have
that's
used
what is
left outer
confusing.
అన్నాను కదా ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ.
So పైన ఉన్నది ఇన్వాలిడ్ అయిపోతుంది, like join.
Yes, sir.
So you will get again nulls from table 2 also. When it is executed as a combination of all 3, table 2 also will get null values.
Sir, my
The
question
first,
sir,
sir,
left
ఇక్కడ first
outer join అని ఉన్నది కదా sir. Is it applicable for table 1 for entire query, sir? Like table 1 is in the
ఇక్కడ this
entire
table,
query.
right?
Yes,
No, I am
table.
using. No, this is important. Left outer join with the table 3. On which table you are using here? Left side comparison.
Table 1.
Table 1.
The above
Table
condition
example
is
left
also
outer.
applicable for the left outer join, right, sir? In the
Emma?
above condition, like on table 1. dot
Here
column.
also now, table 1 will be taken as a left outer join.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma. Table 1 is also used as a left
Yeah.
outer in this case.
That part was just confusing, sir. The bottom part was understandable, but the join, you just use the join word, right? Like in you used equi join, and then we got confused.
Sorry, ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ left outer
Now-
వదిలేయండి.
now
ఇప్పుడు ఇది
okay,
ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So what do you get? You will get all the 3 tables only matching records, right?
matching records. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means all the 3 tables should have matching
Same
records, right?
Yes, sir. Can you please explain with an example, sir?
Sir, yes, yes, sir. Can you
Tables,
please give
I
example?
don't have, I think, such tables for comparison.
Sir, use the circle, sir. It will be easy.
Diagrams.
Yeah, circle I can explain what we did now. If I have 3 tables like this is one table, this is another table, and this is another table. If I use, maybe if I take this is 1, 2, and 3, right? Emma, this is first table, this is second table, and this is third table.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, for example, for table 3, okay, if I write a syntax, table 1, table 2, table 3, if I'm joining in the same sequence,